I had an idea, a small one, but I didn't know where to begin. The product was ready, but something was missing. I needed some assistance, but didn't know who to turn to. Then I found the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge. Launched in 2019 by the Government of Meghalaya, CMECC is more than just a competition. It's a launchpad for Meghalaya's most promising entrepreneurs. Each year, 150 entrepreneurs are chosen to pitch their ideas. Only 75 are selected to enter a 9-month journey of growth and transformation. In the Prime Incubation Program, they gain mentorship, national visibility and access to funding, business tools, boot camps, co-working spaces and market access. To support their entrepreneurial journey, the program also provides financial assistance through business grants that help entrepreneurs grow and scale their ventures. The top 35 startups receive Rs 2 lakh and the remaining 40 startups receive Rs 1 lakh in funding. With free co-working spaces, startup tools, branding support and legal services, CMECC helps you focus on what matters most, building.
Prime helped us believe in our ideas.
Only we made it click.
CMECC has incubated many entrepreneurs from all 12 districts, creating thousands of jobs and impacting lives. You have the idea, we have the support.
I'm thankful to Prime for the opportunity to receive help and mentorship. So join Prime today for a better tomorrow.
Ka Sarkar Jala kala ajeng menjur ke hukum bansat patok haduk sisnem ya kisan ngut kisnar rong khai drug sapo ka PIT NDPS Act ka kendai sepak prapupra. Kini kiba layo akarai bansya aset patok kidairu kibala syakem bon sen ke jengdon keti hakikam bean ke bedebu drugs. Kisan ngut kini kisnar rong khai drugs ki kentup yo penhoi nong tudu bakot sin upun live sense nem kerta bahap hapo ka tanat tak lasken West Gentle Hills. Haka arpu arterik unailar arhajar arpusau. Hubert lamprang paliar bakot sin ulung red arpu arsenem kerta na mau yong pendengrai nong Stone West Khasi Hills haga ukala lengkot ke senem arhajar arpusan. Umarwil nang ba bakot sin Umarwil sab kundai senem kerta dalum pariat Jawai West Gentle Hills. Rintu G Saika bakot sin upratap live san senem kerta na Nongrim Hills bad ka Aisyah Khatun bakot sin ka Pahari Sanpo senem kerta ba na Lower Paltan Bazar. Haba penting begini Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ba apolengdo uli itu ya kene ko hukum set patok lepan mi dak advisory board kilangut kitkot bala clear da Chief Justice bala syongthat apo ka kendon life jong ka PIT NDPS Act. Uba apolengdo uli penting bagi sarkar kelanang penklan yi jeng persyang ban buat dien ba telakam ya kayat kayang jokenong kai drug sapo kejela. Da kebakedo bagi don Cibuan ki jengja ki belayo ban camp. Bergentup jingyo kurup drugs basyong dor sau klor tengka na is Gentle Hills kepada kawai ni jing kurup kebahiak tam haduk mentah.
Jong kinong bishar jong ka ying bishar ka high court kiba dan laingut gila dapat menjur haduk nriu teli ki kes kiba ini kibla kerni ban khayi si khayi mentah ngila ai daga detention order kaba sistem marwe ini rengut te nakini ki rengut pat lada manu naki hadin joga jing light naga diga jing syakam basisnam lada ki lip hai biang syakakam kai drugs kingat biang haka ru jong kanika with NDPS te yakini ki jo ki brio ngila kini ru ya ka jing don jing em joki kentup ban freeze lani ban numsha pendon kamsyu ya ki bank account jongki bat jongki bahayeng hasem jongki kumju uru ya ki try yek pat ngakwa baki pat ba kin ya kersan lang ya kani da ka baki ajing tip ba ki try yeng ru ki ba IY ya kini ki brio ki ba de bat khai drugs makiru kin sha kini hagajuk korukam ka yeng kasem kebangin attach ke ban attach ke property jongki bat kumju ban penduk no ya ki bank account jongki bat ki bahing asem jongki